If you're looking to capture life's best moments with top quality images and videos, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best-selling digital cameras on the market right now. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just getting started, these cameras are the hottest picks. Let's jump in. Starting off at number 5, we have the UHD 4K Vlogging Camera. This beauty offers 48 photos, 16x digital zoom, and a powerful autofocus system. It's perfect for beginner vloggers or anyone who wants sharp, vibrant images. Plus, with anti-shake and low-light features, every shot is crystal clear, even when you're on the go. Next up, the Lecran Digital Camera, perfect for the young photographer in your life. This compact camera captures FHD 1080p videos and 44 images. It's kid-friendly with its mini-size design, fun filters, and it's super durable, perfect for little hands. In third place is the KODAK PIXPRO FZ55. Compact and stylish, it features a 16MP CMOS sensor and 5x optical zoom, giving you the perfect balance between portability and power. And with 1080p Full HD video, capturing life's best moments has never been easier. Coming in at number 2, we have the Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. Designed specifically for content creators, this camera's ultra-wide 20mm lens, IAF technology, and 3-capsule mic make it the ultimate tool for vlogging. You'll love the high-quality videos and clear voice recording, perfect for creating standout content. And finally, our number 1 bestseller is the Sony Alpha A6400 Mirrorless Camera. This powerhouse boasts a 24.2mm APS-C sensor, the world's fastest autofocus, and 4K video recording. Whether you're vlogging or shooting professional-level photography, this camera has all the advanced features you need. So there you have it, the top 5 best-selling digital cameras for 2024. Whether you're capturing memories, starting your vlogging journey, or stepping up your photography game, one of these is sure to be your perfect match. Go to the description of this video and visit our article to see each of these digital cameras in more detail. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.